Performance feedback and coaching are non-negotiable features of the organizational landscape. Formal annual processes are absolutely necessary to address manpower, succession planning, and other business needs. But real growth and improvement happen incrementally over time. As a result, leaders have got to cultivate the capacity to mine mundane moments, say that 3 times fast, mine mundane moments for opportunities to informally check in, to offer observations, and to explore ways to grow and improve. The reality is that just one focused question, asked with a spirit of curiosity, can absolutely transform a casual lunchroom exchange, turning it into a powerful opportunity for a development dialogue. What's the best part of your job these days? Or, hey, what are you learning? Or what are the new challenges you've discovered? Questions like these open the door to organic conversations that meet people where they are and offer in-context support that they need. This kind of day in, day out drip development produces results far in excess of the annual dousing.